miss you and everything you do for me. Even when I make it hard for you to breathe sometimes.
Let's get it started and let's get it started in here. I heard killing a money plant is like bad.
That's why I said
juju.
we have to have a ceremony for her.
Yeah, we will.
In a promise that the next money. Let's make a fucking box.
I'm also listening to Dominic Fike's new music. It's a YouTube video, and I've watched it like 30 times. Ooh, I love you, miss. I'm taking this shit down. This shelf is coming down. Bend from the legs or you'll throw out your back. And a piece of glass. Hey girl, what are you gonna do with a piece of glass? Oh yeah. Oh. And that's why we can't have glass just laying around the house for no fucking reason. Damn, who wrapped this shit? It was me. I did. Look at this. How warm and cozy. How nice and comforting. And once you start taking down the picture frames, it becomes a little white prison box. Personally, I feel. And that's the worst part about moving, is your space that used to be a cozy, comforting place. Just some walls that you live in the weird in-between space, in between fully living in it and moving out. It's kind of a depressing time. You know what's hard? Timing out the process of like taking stuff down and packing them up in your home. And you're like, oh, well, what if I did want that in the month that we have left here? But then it's also like, okay, be for real. You can survive with a lot less items than you currently have access to right now. But then it's also like, okay, why am I keeping this item if I can live without it? And that's on minimalism. It's hard to decide what to put away and when to put it away. I'm going back to my happy place, which is Dominic Fike's 14 Minutes. Since I've moved out of my parents' house, I've not been in a place more than like a year. Maybe a year and a month. I feel like I've become pretty good at packing things up in a timely manner and in a way that is secure. That's just personal opinion though, so, you know, don't come for me for my packing style. Some people stress me out with how last minute they pack or how haphazardly they pack. But that's not me. Theys and thems, boys and girls, humans, we have more shit to pack. You know, there's no days off when you got shit to pack. There can be days off. Take care of your mental health, but, you know, even if you're like, not really feeling it today, well, guess what, bitch? Sorry, that was mean. Guess what, person? You don't have that much time. Therefore, you're either gonna do this now when you're less stressed about time, or you're going to do it last minute when you're stressed out as fuck. Take your pick, you know? And I really would prefer not hating myself later. I'd like to love myself later. At least for me, I like to organize as I pack and like get rid of stuff that I don't need, because what's the point of hauling it to a different fucking state if I'm not actually gonna use it, and then that's just like carrying more stuff that, you know, that's not good for me. That's not good for my mental or my physical. It will be worth it. I know it will be worth it, but it is a lot. Just going to work and coming home and having enough brain energy, that in itself, working and like personal things, that's already too much sometimes. It will be worth it. At least that's what I'm telling myself. Back to your regularly scheduled programming. Yeah, but maybe we should put it in the bag in case it leaks.
Have you been taking your iron supplements?
No. That's what I just said. That's what I just said!
Yo, I just smoked a spoolie.
Monostat. Hashtag yeast infection.
She got a yeasty.
Okay, you don't got it. You don't got bully me. Go.
Would you focus on your own bin?
You keep putting shit in my bin.
I didn't put shit there. Look at that. What shit did I put in there?
This is your bin? You're just putting it on the counter.
Are we taking the shelf down?
Yeah, girl, we're taking it down, 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 down.
Down, down.
Thong panty liner. Worst invention in the world. Chafe City.
Okay.
Get the fuck out the way. Skip your song.
Oh my god. Cha-ching!
I think we should take those together.
For reference, this is what you guys are on. 14 Minutes by Dominic Fike. His video, what I understand is he wants us all to get in shape, bitch. We made do before them, we'll make do with that. I think I lost
You get that.
Guys, we have like 21 days. 21 days.
Any minute when I'm falling. You get that too. I'm not fooled by the tattoos. No. Any minute we might fall. No, I act like a kid. I know you act like a kid sometimes. Point is, I know just how you feel. Point is, I know just how you feel.
We're currently packing up a bunch of metal shit that was all separate. We're putting it in a big ass box. REI gave us stacks of paper in our thing we ordered.
Yeah.
Look at all of this. And this isn't even all of it. There's another whole bunch of it.
It was kind of comedic when we were unpacking
It
that
was
box.
so funny. It made it so heavy. This box is gonna be heavy as fuck.
But I would rather lift a heavy thing one time than go up and down these stairs.
Oh, this is annoying me. Here. What the fuck?
I think they're just long.
Yeah, just put it diagonal.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. I can make a... What's the wet paper called?
Paper mache.
Paper mache with this.
Here we go. Sharpie, sponsor us.
You get lied to. I'm not fooled by the tattoos. No. To me, any minute we might fall. Yeah. You get lied to. Don't be fooled by the tattoos. No. To me, any minute we might fall.
And again, we're doing this before work because every second counts.
The grind never stops.
These days don't end, and you that brought us closer. We're spread so thin, and that's all it takes to knock you over. Finding out the hard way, forgot how good it feels to be alone. You did. Watch a movie on your phone for real. Is this how I'm supposed to feel? Save me some, she said, love. I felt like you could call it something else. I could think of nothing else for real, 'cause it was hard to tell.
I would almost equate a snap from a command strip to a razor scooter to the ankle.
Oh, ha 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 ha.
Okay, cut the cameras.
In the morning when I wake up and the sun is shining through, oh, you fill my lungs with sweetness, and you fill my head with you. Shall I write it in a letter? Shall I try to get it down? Oh, you fill my head with pieces of a song I can't get out. Can I be close to you? Can I be close to you?
Cut the cameras. Cut the cameras. Cut the cameras. Hello, the U-Box is coming today.
Today is that day, the weekend before we actually leave. So we're gonna get all of our stuff emptied out of this place, besides our road trip stuff.
It's just gonna be a bunch of like packing up big things into the U-Box, and then it'll give us the chance to see like what's left over and what we gotta do with it.
Yeah. Say goodbye. I'm sentimental.
And kiss all the floors goodbye. Look at all the dead bugs on the wall and be like,
See
I wanna
you.
remember you.
There you go, I like that.
We call them by first.
I hate it too.
Because I'm not.
Bring the noise. Welcome, welcome. Check out my humble abode.
MTV Cribs. This is most of our furniture, so we're looking good on space, I think.
Yeah, I skate, bro.
Okay, this is what our packed U-Box is looking like. We don't think we can fit anymore. This is the best we could do.
Yeah, honestly, it wasn't bad. We missed like 2 or 3 items, but
We'll figure it out.
yeah. Today's the day that we go on the road, and our apartment is just still filled with our shit. My car is dirty. We haven't packed it up, but we're gonna do that. We're gonna do that now. I just regret not giving myself enough time. It is just like one thing after the other, and work, and like not doing this. That's why Kaylee's been in all the videos. We're gonna get fills for the last time, and then we gotta start doing all the shit. See ya. My car is a little car that could.
Who's ready for a road trip? It's a lot more stuff than we hoped for to be traveling with, but we're making it work. We're struggling.
I didn't think we'd get to this point. Just random cords, a tennis ball. These were the last things that were floating around that we didn't think about, and we were like, we'll just fit it in.
The thing is, in a month, we're gonna forget we even had this. Like, no things matter.
Is that what we're telling ourselves so we feel better right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think where we messed up is we kept our desk in the U-box, and we really should have just gotten rid of it, and that would have freed up some space, because all of our things in our rooftop box are moving things, they're not camping things.
Last night I said, the stars either align for you or the stars align you.
We're getting aligned by the stars right now.
Shit. Fuck. The hardest thing, I hated filling the Philippines boxes.
Honestly, I think today was the hardest one.
When you get a little overwhelmed and kind of get paralyzed. This is crazy. This is fuck. This is bad. It's crazy. It's all empty now. I don't know, it's crazy to think that we had so much stuff. But in my mind, I can still see everything in its place. It doesn't seem bigger. Everything's temporary. Just return it to the factory setting. Our life just gone.
We still have a life.
Thank you to this apartment for being our home for the past year. A lot of times it was our safe place when we were being overwhelmed, and made a lot of memories here.
If you guys want to continue to follow what we're doing, we're about to be on a 20-day road trip across the country back to Michigan, and then after that we're going to the Philippines. So this is a chapter closing, but another one opening.
Yeah, there's a lot ahead. Bye-bye.
Go again.